Pozdrav youtuberi, pozdrav gameri, Boško ovdje. Dobrodošli u novi klip. I da vam kažem, pošto nisam video da ima srpski gameplay, ja sam rešio da snimim ovu igricu, a to je Call of Duty Modern Warfare dvojka. Znači, Call of Duty dvojka Modern Warfare. Pa da počnemo youtuberi. Igramo, znači, od prve epizode, inače snimat ću GTA San Andreas i Call of Duty. Pa da počnemo. New game. Znači ja ovo prvi put igram, verovali ili ne, prvi put igram ovo. Pa da vidimo, izvinite zbog facecama, ali moram ovako da snimam ovu prvu epizodu ili kako već, pa ćemo da vidimo kasnije.
The more things change, the more they stay the same. Boundaries shift, new players step in, but power always finds a place to rest its head. We fought and bled alongside the Russians. We should have known they'd hate us for it.
Russian.
History is written by the victor, and here I am thinking we'd won. But you bring down one enemy and they find someone even worse to replace him. Locations change, the rationale, the objective. Yesterday's enemies are today's recruits. Train them to fight alongside you, and pray they don't eventually decide to hate you for it too. Same shit, different day. You know what I'm looking for, Sergeant Foley. Keep your eyes open.
Got a new badge hitting the pit today, sir. I'll send you the best I find.
Da se snima, ali ja mislim da vredi. Zato što sam gledao mnoge, znači, komentare o ovoj igrici na YouTube-u sam gledao. Znači, jednom rečju igrice je perverzija. Znači, perverzija od igrice. Pijemo soci malo. Izvinite youtuberi, ugasio sam svetlo da bih lepše video. Počinjemo ljudi. Idemo. Wow, man.
Welcome to Pull the Trigger 101. Private Allen here is going to do a quick weapons demonstration to show you locals how it's done. No offense, but I see a lot of you guys firing from the hip and spraying bullets all over the range. You don't end up hitting the damn thing and it makes you look like an ass. Private Allen, show them what I'm talking about. Turn around and fire at the targets.
Huh.
You see what I mean? He's spraying bullets all over the damn place. You've got to pick your targets by aiming deliberately down your sights.
Izvinite samo malo, options, audio.
From a stable stance.
Private
Allen, show our friends here how the Rangers take down a target. Crouch first, then aim down your sight at the targets.
Okay.
Aim down your sights before engaging the target. That's all there is to it. You want your targets to go down, you gotta aim down your sights. Now if your target is behind light cover, remember that certain weapons can penetrate and hit your target. The private here will demonstrate. Hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen, hit the target through the wood panel. Private, hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen, hit the target through the wood panel. Private, hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen, hit the target through the wood panel. Last but not least, you need to know how to toss a frag grenade. Private Allen, pick up some frag grenades from the table. Toss the grenade down the range to take out several targets at once.
Čučni! BAM!
Note that frags tend to roll on sloped surfaces, so think twice before tossing one uphill. All right. Thanks for the help, Private Allen. Now get over to the pit. General Shepard wants to see you run the course. All right. Who wants to go first? Show me what you've learned so far.
Kako je lepo, ljudi. Aha, idemo tamo. Šit se trči, jes. Šit se trči. Aha.
Hey, Private. Welcome back
Right
to
for
the pit.
pistol.
Our General Shepard wants to pull a shooter from our unit for some special op. Anyway, he's up there in observation. All right, try switching to your rifle. Good, now switch to your sidearm again. You see how fast that was? Remember, switching to your pistol's always faster than reloading. Well, smile for the cameras and don't miss. Shepard's gonna be watching. Best shooter gets to join the Prima Donna squad, if that's your thing. Okay, head on in. Timer starts as soon as the first target pops. I don't know why they don't put us in first, Alan. Very much the Rangers can't do that SF and Delta can, but whatever. That's SOCOM brass for you.
Nema šta. Aha, ima civili, brate, jao. Izvinite, nisam vidio. Okej, idemo gore da imamo šta na sve. Aha, na E. Okej. Wow, fuck. You were too slow. Znači, mnogo sam sporo radio ovo.
Okay, head on in. Timer starts as soon as the first target pops.
Mnogo sam sporo, izvinite, ali evo da idemo. Ćemo brže to da radimo. To je to, brži smo dosta. Brži smo.
You looked okay out there, but you still need some
Kako
work.
smo dobri, ljudi.
Okay, head upstairs and regroup with your team, or you can go back in and run the course again.
Kako ćemo da igramo? Ajmo na regulac, što ne znam
Head
ja ovo
upstairs,
ići.
regroup with the others.
All Hunter units, get to your victor. We're headed out.
We've lost contact! Everyone get to your vehicles. We're moving out.
YouTuberi, prva staza je završena, to je prva misija. Naravno da ćemo ovdje sada stanemo, pa ćemo sutra ponovo da igramo, naravno. Što ovu, naprimjer, o GTA San Andreas imam po dvije misije sam. Ali ovo moram po jednu jedinu misiju snimati, zato što sam stvarno gospodin i grafikom
are the most powerful military force in the history of man. Every fight is our fight. Because what happens over here matters over there. We don't get to sit one out. Learning to use the tools of modern warfare is the difference between the prospering of your people and utter destruction. We can't give you freedom, but we can give you the know-how to acquire it. And that, my friends, is worth more than a whole army base of steel. Sure, it matters who's got the biggest stick, but it matters a hell of a lot more who's swinging it. This is a time for heroes, a time for legends. History is written by the victors. Let's get to work.
Tek sad vidim da je igrica stvarno dobra. Stvarno je dobra. Dobro, ajmo. Samo da počne, ja tu stajem sa snimanjem. Pa ćemo u sljedećem klipu da vidimo šta nas to očekuje u sljedećoj misiji, poslije treninga. Ajde samo ovo da se završi. Ajmo što ga počinje. What the fuck? Okej, znači neću da vidim. Znači, ljudi, to je to, soft and cute. To je to, ljudi. Ako vam se svidio ovaj klip, like, share i subscribe. Uživajte u gledanju i vidimo se u sljedećem klipu, ljudi. Pozdrav!